Yes.
This one now, yellow.
Wait. Sige, Baba.
Excuse me, madam. This is the toy, and you only care about the toy. Go manage yourself.
No, he doesn't want the bag. Put it. Yeah.
You don't want the bag.
Yeah, put it
Did
here.
you say what you say to Ate? Yellow.
What you will say?
What you will say to Ate?
How about thank you? Did you not say thank you? Happy now? Bye. He said bye because he's happy. And Zido, where are you going? Oh my god. It's okay. Okay, it's okay. Take two. Okay, go to near the door. Okay. Near the door. Sige, ready? Go.
See the spike, I get something. What did that say? Caution.
Puzzle. Yes, very good. You want to open it now?
We okay.
Okay. What you will say there?
We open.
Huh?
Okay.
I will open the puzzle. What's wrong with your nose? I think you have congestion.
Yeah.
Wait, sabi. Take three. Take three.
We
Open the
open.
box. Yes. Wait, how to
We
open?
open the puzzle.
Figure it out how to open, okay?
Puzzle.
Yes, puzzle. We need to remove the tape. Why the tape is here?
Why the thing?
Oh my gosh, cut sabi. How many tapes are there? Huh? How many tapes are there? Oh my gosh, why it's so hard these toys, eh?
I just joined.
Yeah, it's very hard to open. A lot of tapes and we don't have scissors in the hotel. Oh my gosh, why it's so hard? So gosh. Give me more time. What is this? Oh my gosh. Wow, dito ito. Wow. Puzzles. Huh? You have to make like this. Houses. Okay? Oh, miss you. Now, we'll not open it now. Okay? After eating. Because it's too much. We cannot build house now. Because we have to eat breakfast. Okay? Because the breakfast is until 10. And we have to bath after. Okay? Let's go.
Mama, we open this.
You know this is Mama.
Yeah, Mama and Zaido will open. Baba will not open it. Okay? Zaido will open. Look here, babe. Look here. Smile.
We open.